Yes, so in this case, you'll be told the distribution of the marks scored by 105 students in technical drawing test are as shown in table 1. If the mode mark is 22, determine the value of A and B, the median of the distribution. Now, if you are told the mode mark is 22, then it is very simple. You check which class is 22 lying. Have you seen that? You check the class where 22? Where 22 is. Are we together? So which class is 22? You can see you use the class limit. 22 is between 20 to 30 because the limit here is average of 20 and 20 and the limit here is average of 30 and that is 30. So 22 is in this class from 20 to 30. Are you seeing? Yes. Are we together? Yes. So when the mode is 22, the mode of class becomes that class. Isn't it? 22. A mode of 22. So you check 22 is in which? Is in which class? Is that okay? Yes. So 22 is between 32. It's between 22, between 20 to 30. So that is case 1. We found that the model class is 20 to 30. Since our mode 22 is lying in that class, isn't it? So that model class, what are the limits of that model class? The lower limit is the average there, which is 20, and the average of the upper limit there, which is 30. So from there we are able to see the class interval, isn't it? 30 minus 20. You get the class interval to be 10, isn't it? After getting the class interval to be 10, then you write the formula of mode. When you're looking for the mode is given by lower class limit of the model class plus D1 over D1 plus D2 into I, class interval, isn't it? Yes. So from there we have, then that mode you will be told it is what? It is the 22, which is given as that class. Very good, isn't it? Yes. So that one is equal to 20? 22. So start substituting. Before you start substituting, what is D1? It is, we are in which class? D1 is where? We are in this class, isn't it? Yes. So D1 is in front, D2 is after it, isn't it? So D1 is the frequency of the model class minus the frequency in front of it. That is 27 minus A. D1 is 27 minus A, and D2 is the frequency of the model class minus the frequency before it, isn't it? After it, isn't it? Which is 27 minus B. 27 minus B, isn't it? So we can now get D1 plus D2. 27 plus 27, 54. Negative A plus negative B, that is negative A, negative B. Then we substitute everything in the formula, isn't it? So what do we have? Lower class limit of the model class is 20, then plus D1 is 27 minus A over D1 plus D2 is 54 minus A minus B, then the class interval is 10 is equals to, then that mode was given to be 20, isn't it? Yes. So the next thing, 20, you go there, check the other side, you subtract. Yes. You will remain with 27 minus 8 over 54 minus A minus B into 10 to be equals to 2. Then you divide both sides by 10 to remove this 10, isn't it? Yes. So if you divide both sides by 10, you get? Yes, 27 minus 8 over 54 minus A minus B is now 0.2 divided by 10, 0.2, isn't it? Yes. So it means you now open the bracket, you now have numerator and denominator, and so on after removing everything outside, isn't it? Yes. So what we have, we multiply both sides with the denominator. So we have 27 minus 8 to be equals to 0.2 into 54 minus A minus B, isn't it? Yes. So what do we have there? 27 minus 8 is equal to 0.2 times 54? 10.8. 10.8. 0.2 times negative A? Negative 0.28, isn't it? Then 0.2 times negative B? Negative 0.2B. Is it? Let's start collecting. 10.8 coming this side, it becomes 27 minus 10.8, isn't it? Yes. Which is? 60? 16.2, isn't it?
Yes.
Then negative a goes to the other side, it becomes plus a, isn't it?
Yes.
So it's going to be a minus 0.2a, is it?
Yes.
A minus 0.2a, you are going to get 0.8. Serious? See, negative a going to the other side becomes positive a. See, it is now a minus 0.2a.
Yes.
You get 0.8a, and b has just remained the way it is 0.2b. See, we now found equation 2. Are we together?
Yes.
So equation 2, you use with equation 1. So equation 1, equation 2 is that. So what is equation 1? You'll be told there were 105 students, isn't it? So it means when you add up all the frequencies, you're supposed to get, when you add up all the frequencies, you're supposed to get 105. So can we go to that equation 2? When we add up all the frequencies, what do you get? Add up all the frequencies, 14 plus A plus 27 plus
B
plus B plus
15.
plus 15 should give you a total of 105 students, isn't it?
Yes.
So what do you get? 14 plus 27 plus 15 is
56.
60?
56.
56. Then plus A plus B is 105. So subtracting 56 the other side, A plus B is
49.
49. So that is equation.
1.
That is the equation 1.
Yes.
Which we ought to have found before that. Whichever case, does not matter. So you use any method to solve them, isn't it?
Yes.
So here we have what? 0.8a plus minus. This is 0.8a minus
0.2B.
0.2b is equals to.
16.
So in this equation 1, we can multiply all 2 by 0.8 to eliminate a, isn't it?
Yes.
So 0.8 times a, 0.8 times b, 0.8 times 49. 40? 39.2. So if we subtract the two equations, we are going to eliminate a. So move negative 0.2 minus positive 0.8. That is just negative 0.2 minus 0.8, isn't it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
What do you get there? Negative 1. That is just now negative b, isn't it?
Yes.
Then 16.2 minus 39.2. Negative 23. Negative 23, isn't it? So if you divide both sides by negative, you get b is 23 and a plus b is 49. So it means a is 49 minus b, isn't it? So 49 minus 23, 26. So you can see both values of a and b are less than 27, isn't it? So we found the value of a and b. So it means what you are doing, you check. There's nothing like you are testing, isn't it? You check where this value is. It is in a certain class, isn't it? Meaning 22 is in the class 22 to 30. Meaning if you were told the mode is 18, and you know 18 is in the class 10 to 20, then from there you see the model class was there. Meaning A will give you the mode, isn't it? If you were told the mode was 34, then you know 34 is in the class between 30 to 40. It's where 34 is, isn't it? Then you know the mode is this value of B will give you the frequency. B is the highest frequency. Not that B is the mode. B is the highest frequency. Have you seen that? Have you got that? Good. So that is how to answer that problem. So where there is A, put the value of A now. We have A is 26. And where there is B, put the value of B now. B is 23. So the second part, determine the median of the distribution. Can you now determine the median? Determine the median of the distribution. So what is the formula of getting the median? So the median is given by the lower class limit of the median class plus N over 2 minus C over F into the class interval, isn't it?
Yes.
So N over 2 is used to denote the median value, isn't it? So we need to know what is N, because we need to identify this median class, isn't it? What is N? The number of students we were given is 105. If you sum up all the frequencies, isn't it? 105. So N is odd. So when N is odd, there's exactly one point in the middle, isn't it?
Yes.
So N over 2, which is representing median, will be given by N plus 1 divided by 2, isn't it?
Yes.
N over 2, which is used to denote the median, is given by N plus 1 divided by 2, meaning it is going to be 105 plus 1 divided by 2, which you get to be 106 divided by 2. You have? Remember N over 2, median we said is special. When N is odd, you have to one exactly one dot in the middle. When N is even, they are 2. You get? 53. So when there is N over 2, you are going to put 53. So we are going to get the median to be what? The median is the lower class limit of the median class plus 53 minus C over F into I, meaning you need a column of the cumulative frequency. So let us come and put a column of the cumulative frequency to see where that C is. So cumulative frequency C, up to the end of this class you counted 14. Up to the end of this class is 14 plus 26. You counted 40. At the end of this class is 40 plus 27. You have counted 67, isn't it? At the end of this class, 67 plus 23, you have counted 90. At the end of this class, 90 plus 15, you have counted 105. You counted everything, isn't it? Now, when you want to get the value of C53 minus CC is the class above the median class, and the class above the median class will be before, if the table is moving that way, isn't it? So you move from the value which is less than 53 from the other side. So when you move from this other side, which value of C is less than 53? C is 40.
Yes.
Meaning this is our median, the class in front of it is the median class, isn't it? Meaning that is the median?
Yes.
Because C was the one before the median class, because the rank order was from the smallest from the largest data value, isn't it? So what is C? C is the value before the median class. So we've seen the value which is less than 53 is 40. So the median class is 20 to 30. Or you simply say where is 53? Which term is number 53? So the term which is number 53, you check. This class, you ended at the 40th term, isn't it?
Yes.
Meaning this class started at 41st term and ended at the 67th term. Meaning term number 53 is in that class. That is another way of identifying it. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
Because this median, N over 2, which is done by N over 2 plus 1, giving you the 53rd term. So term number 53 is where? Along here. Because it is here, where 67 is. Because this one started at number 41 and ended at number 67, isn't it?
Yes.
Meaning if this ended at number 67, this one started at number 68 and ended at number 90. Are you seeing?
Yes.
Meaning this one started at number 91 and ended at number 105. So number 53 is in this class. So it means there are two ways you confirm when you have the right value, isn't it? So you identify the median class is between 22 to 30. So give me the class limit at the average of 20 and 20 gives you the lower class limit there is 20, isn't it? Then the average of 30 and 30 gives you the upper class limit there is 30. So in the end, what is the class interval? Upper class limit minus lower class limit, which is 10. Then what is the frequency of this median class? The frequency of that, you want the X, the frequency of that median class is 27, isn't it? See, we've now found everything, we just substitute in the formula.
Yes.
Yes, so what is now the median? It is the lower class limit of the median class, isn't it?
Yes.
Which is? The lower class limit of the median class is 20. Then it is plus 53 minus equals the cumulative frequency before the median class, which is, before the median class we had C2 before. 54, isn't it? So we have 53 minus 40, isn't it? Are you fair? Which is 13. All frequency of the median plus before this 27. Then I, the plus interval before this is 10. So what is the median? What is the median? $24.81. So the median is 24.81, isn't it? Very good. The median is 24.81. So that is how to handle such a case. That is how to handle such a case. Let us see another case.